Hello, 4th grade students and family members, and welcome back to the Smoketown 4th grade website. By now, you've had an opportunity to explore the site and hopefully do lots of learning. For week 2, there are just some minor adjustments that we want to point out to you. The website looks exactly the same. If you need a refresher on how to navigate this site, I would click on this video. If you need a refresher on how to use Google Docs and share information with your teacher, please click this link. To log in to Google Docs, you click on this link. To log in to the CV homepage, click on this link. Otherwise, everything will look the same. There are 3 basic links: homepage, resources, and contacts. When you click on the resource page this week, it will look exactly the same until you click on the specific subject links. By clicking on the subject links, it will look very similar. However, you'll see another set of links. If I click on week 1, that's going to take me back to last week's work. But by clicking on week 2, week of April 6th, I'm going to be taken to week number 2, read aloud, so that I can see a brand new set of expectations for the days that will be in school this week. Then I just go back to the resource page and move along to the different links. That was read aloud. When I click on writing, you'll see week 1, week 2. For this week, we click week 2, and there are a new set of writing prompts for week 2. Go back to the resource page. Math. We still suggest that you try some of these online options like Splash Learn or MobyMax, or download some math games, but we'd also like you to possibly look at the week 2 daily questions. And you'll notice there are a new set of daily questions for the week of April 6th. Back to the resource page. Reading. We once again would like to encourage every student to possibly log into Raz, Storyworks, and Realize. In fact, this week, you'll notice that the directions are to try and log into Raz or Pearson Realize and look at Storyworks for the first time. So you're going to need to use these directive pages here on the reading page so that you can hopefully log in to each of these 3 and try it out for the first time in reading. But those main 2 links are right here and remain the same. For spelling, make sure you are clicking on week 2 because those are your second set of words, new words for week 2. Back to the resource page. New STEM activities for this week. Clicking on week 2. We'll once again be Zooming on Monday and Thursday with our classes. And then we will be trying a new tech tool called Quiz Is. And on Wednesday, you'll actually join a Quiz Is activity with the access code down below to try it out yourself. Back to the resource page. Science. In science this week, instead of doing InstaLabs, we're actually going to have a read aloud. And the read aloud is going to be all about electricity. You'll read Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday you'll take a quiz by clicking the Google form. And just like everything else on this site, there is a video that will help you understand how you can take the Google form quiz. Back to the resource page. In history, we're going back to Storyworks, but make sure you're clicking on week 2 because this week we'll be reading about a sunken treasure. That sunken treasure, the search for pirate gold. Make sure you're clicking on week 2 for history. The special area teachers have updated their pages. So by clicking on each of the special links, you can see that, for example, in library, Mrs. Hoffman has created a Google Doc for the week of April 6th through 9th. You can click on it. However, we've also left the other areas up on their different pages, so if you want to go back, you're good to go to do that as well. So this video helps you navigate those different links on our webpage, and each week we'll continue to update with those different links. If you have any questions, feel free to click on the contact link and send an email to one of your 4th grade teachers. We hope that all of your families are well and you continue to keep up with this optional resource learning page.